Hello folks, it's Rich here. Can't be doing with this heat, it's getting on my nerves. I'm sure it is for everybody else. I've got the Squier Deluxe Strat here. I'm going to play a few minutes of the same backing track and the same kinds of amateurish twiddles that I do on clean, and I'm going to swap halfway through to overdrive. So you'll get an immediate comparison of how twangy it can sound on clean and what it does when it goes crunchy to the same track. So just only a few minutes. So crunchy. Okay, yes, so fingers and brain aren't working very well today, even less well than usual. But yes, the takeaway for me actually on these Duncan design pickups is they seem to handle overdrive and crunchy distortion things better than the single coils on the recent Affinity I had, which should be no surprise in theory, because it's a more expensive guitar. But the clean tones are, I think the Affinity pickups are slightly nicer for me, a bit more stratty. But anyway, let me know what you think. It's a good guitar. This, you don't see them very often. It's it's currently on eBay, by the way, because I can't be unfaithful to Savannah. I'm a woman kind of man. But yes, if you can get your hands on one of these, it's well worth a try. The only thing I'd say on this really that would be worth changing, I think, are the tuners. I don't know whether these are just a bit stiff and clunky because they're a bit old, but yeah, they're not brilliant. But yes, comment and be part of the community, fellow nesting people.